Whether you're a coin collector, electronics hobbyist, or a science explorer, an HDMI digital microscope can take your discoveries to the next level. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best HDMI digital microscopes that deliver sharp visuals, impressive magnification, and user-friendly features. Let's dive in. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Tomlov DM9 Pro HDMI digital microscope. The Tomlov DM9 Pro HDMI digital microscope is a highly advanced tool designed to deliver exceptional visual clarity and versatility for a range of applications. Featuring a 1920 by 1080p resolution and a 178-degree super-wide viewing angle, this microscope is equipped with a 7-inch IPS glossy screen that provides a true-to-life color experience with no splash screens or image freezing. The large IPS panel is ideal for detailed tasks such as circuit board soldering, watch and clock repair, plant observation, jewelry appraisal, and coin identification. One of the standout features of the DM9 Pro is its specially designed 8.5-inch extended metal bracket, which allows users to view an entire coin in one frame. This makes it particularly valuable for coin collectors who want to inspect or document their collections. The sturdy aluminum bracket and base offer enhanced durability and stability during use. The microscope offers an impressive magnification range from 10x to 1200x. It also boasts a 16MP photo resolution, ensuring excellent image quality with fine detail when zooming in on photos. The magnification level is adjusted by changing the distance between the lens and the object, allowing users to explore even the tiniest parts with precision. The Tomlov DM9 Pro serves a wide range of users, from electronics hobbyists needing precise soldering inspection, to watchmakers requiring detailed diagnostics, to educators and families exploring science with kids through rocks, minerals, and plants. Its combination of high resolution, large display, and versatile lighting makes it a powerful microscope for both professional and casual use. Coming in at number 4, the Hayve MS HDMI digital microscope. The Hayve MS1 HDMI digital microscope is a remarkable tool specially designed for coin enthusiasts and collectors. With its upgraded 8.5-inch bracket, this microscope provides a wider and higher field of view, making it easy to capture the entire surface of coins of various sizes, from dimes and pennies to large silver dollars, without needing extension tubes or raising the display. This feature ensures that users can examine coins in great detail directly on the screen. One of the standout features of the Hayve MS1 is its upgraded 7-inch HD LCD screen, which is 35% larger than the typical 4.3-inch displays found in many other digital microscopes. The 1920 by 1080 high-resolution screen delivers an impressive visual experience that allows users to observe their objects quickly and clearly at a microscopic level, greatly enhancing work efficiency. The microscope is equipped with an ultra-high-definition camera sensor capable of providing magnification ranging from 2x up to 1500x. This broad magnification range makes it versatile for a variety of close-up inspections beyond coin collecting. It supports capturing high-quality real-time images and videos without delay, with a 32GB micro SD card included that can store up to 18 million images and full HD 1080p videos. In addition to its hardware, the Hayve MS1 features exclusive software designed to enhance productivity and precision. The software allows users to measure dimensions, angles, areas, perimeters, and radii of the subjects under inspection. It also offers professional image effects such as horizontal and vertical flipping, grayscale, binary, invert, and emboss filters to improve visual analysis. The multifunctional design of the Hayve MS1 supports HDMI connectivity to larger monitors or computers, giving users the ability to view an expanded field of view when needed. It also includes a remote control that enables video recording, photography, zoom adjustments, and brightness control without physically interacting with the Microscope's LCD screen. This reduces shaking and makes capturing images or adjusting settings much easier. Overall, the Hayve MS1 HDMI digital microscope combines high-resolution imaging, versatile magnification, advanced software, and user-friendly controls, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to examine coins or small objects in detail. At number 3, we have the Rievbcau DM12 HDMI digital microscope. The Rievbcau DM12 HDMI digital microscope offers a remarkable blend of advanced features designed to elevate microscopic exploration to a new level. At its core is a generous 10.1-inch IPS screen that delivers crystal-clear visuals and vibrant colors, providing an immersive viewing experience perfect for detailed observations of coins, electronics, and other small objects. This digital microscope comes equipped with a 32GB TF card, enabling users to capture and store high-resolution images and videos of their discoveries. Whether you're documenting scientific research, inspecting circuit boards, or enjoying a hobby like coin collecting, the ability to save and revisit moments adds significant value. Versatility is a highlight of the DM12, as it supports a broad range of computer systems, including Windows 7, 8, 10, and newer, as well as macOS. This ensures seamless connectivity and easy integration into various workflows. The microscope's high-definition multimedia interface allows it to connect effortlessly to external displays, making it easier to share your findings in real time with colleagues, students, or friends. The DM12's adjustable magnification ranges from 50x to an impressive 2000x, unlocking the ability to view even the tiniest details with remarkable clarity. This wide magnification spectrum is ideal for multiple applications, from coin analysis to detailed soldering inspection. Designed for flexibility, the DM12 supports external power, allowing for extended outdoor use without interruption. Additionally, the microscope's built-in lighting is powered by a separate battery, ensuring hassle-free operation in low-light or dark outdoor environments. This feature makes the DM12 an excellent companion for fieldwork and on-the-go scientific investigation. Next up at number 2 is the Tomlov DM402 Pro HDMI digital microscope. The Tomlov DM402 Pro HDMI digital microscope is a groundbreaking device in the world of digital microscopy, marking several firsts for the Tomlov brand. It is the first 2K digital microscope offered by Tomlov, delivering ultra-clear visuals with a UHD sensor that supports 2K resolution video and captures vivid 24MP still images. This enhanced resolution far surpasses the common 1080p/12MP standards found in many microscopes today, allowing users to explore the microscopic world with remarkable clarity and detail. One of the standout features of the DM402 Pro is its large 10.1-inch IPS premium screen. The IPS technology ensures vivid, saturated colors and a wide 178-degree viewing angle, enabling comfortable and shared viewing without any ghosting, stuttering, or tearing. This not only protects the eyes during prolonged use, but also enhances the overall viewing experience, making it easier to observe tiny subjects or share discoveries with others. The microscope is equipped with a transmitted LED light stage, which is a first for an LCD digital microscope by Tomlov. This feature allows for better illumination of transparent or thin samples, adding versatility to the kinds of specimens that can be examined. The stand is taller than usual at 10 inches, giving users the ability to easily see entire objects like coins without hassle. Tomlov also provides dual HDMI and USB outputs, which allows connection to larger screens or computers for an expanded viewing experience. The zoom capabilities are extensive, ranging from 2x to an impressive 1200x magnification, enabling users to inspect even the tiniest details with full lighting. Adjusting focus is straightforward by raising or lowering the stand and turning the zoom knob, making the microscope user-friendly. Additionally, the DM402 Pro comes with a 32GB storage card included, enabling users to save both images and videos of their observations for later review or sharing. This combination of high-resolution imaging, versatile connectivity, and ease of use makes the Tomlov DM402 Pro a powerful tool for hobbyists, educators, and professionals interested in exploring the microscopic world in stunning detail. Finally, at number 1, we have the Elikliv EM4K-AF HDMI digital microscope. The Elikliv EM4K-AF HDMI digital microscope represents a significant leap in digital microscopy with its innovative features and cutting-edge technology. As the first autofocus digital microscope, it brings unmatched convenience by automatically adjusting focus quickly and accurately. Leveraging AI algorithms, it continuously refines image clarity, even when the object moves, eliminating the need for time-consuming manual focus adjustments. At the heart of this microscope lies a fast and highly responsive time-of-flight sensor. This advanced sensor emits light pulses to precisely measure distances and swiftly adjust the focal length within just 2 seconds. The TOF technology excels under various lighting conditions, making the EM4K-AF adaptable for a wide range of samples and environments. The microscope's visual capabilities are nothing short of revolutionary. It delivers stunning 4K UHD video at 3840 by 2160 resolution with 30 frames per second, and captures ultra-clear 52-megapixel still images at 9600 by 5400 resolution. Its vibrant 8-inch IPS screen with a resolution of 1280 by 800 pixels and a wide 178-degree viewing angle provides an immersive experience with crisp colors and exceptional clarity. Designed for versatility, the EM4K-AF offers tri-screen simultaneous UHD output via HDMI and USB, allowing users to extend their view onto larger monitors or computers seamlessly. Whether in laboratories, factories, classrooms, or homes, this microscope ensures superior image quality and ease of viewing. Ideal for coin collectors and professionals alike, the device features a taller 10-inch stand with a broad, extendable base for capturing full views of coins or soldering work. It includes a freeze and split screen function, enabling users to pause images for detailed inspection or compare multiple samples side by side, enhancing analysis efficiency. The Elikliv EM4K-AF HDMI digital microscope blends state-of-the-art optics, intelligent automation, and practical design, making it a powerful tool for professionals and enthusiasts eager to explore the microscopic world in stunning detail.